F-Wave synthetic roof shingles. These are 100% polymer shingles made in Burleson, Texas. What we're going to be doing today is showing you with these round-faced metal shaping hammers beat on this shingle with both of these at the same time. Then we're going to do a close-up shot so you can see what the shingles actually do. You will see that it dimples the surface a little bit. When the sun hits that in about 15 minutes, all those dimples disappear. Shingles are also Class A fire rated. They will not burn. 5-year Class 4 hail warranty on the product. 15-year 130 mile an hour wind warranty. It also has a 15-year warranty on the color. 50-year overall warranty. F-Wave will pay for the labor and the material to replace it. That's the product. It's made right here in Burleson in North Texas. We're pretty proud of it. Heritage Roofing is putting it on. They're doing a great job, as you can see behind me.